Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I managed to get a ton of coins in GP in eFootball 2026, and honestly, it was way easier than I expected. Now before anything else, let me just say, this isn't some overhyped trick or anything shady. I actually tried it out myself, and you can see on my iPhone right now. I've got a crazy amount of resources sitting in my account. It's all real, and it all came from the method I'm about to walk you through. What surprised me most is how simple it was. It's just a few things you need to follow, and if you stick with me through this video, I'll show you exactly what to do. Just follow each step carefully, and you'll be set. Before I found this, I was stuck grinding for hours just to afford a few upgrades. Sound familiar? But now, with all this extra GP and coins, I've been able to build an insane team, unlock top-tier players, and just enjoy the game without feeling limited all the time. So if you're tired of being stuck with a basic squad or saving up forever just to make small progress, then definitely stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how I pulled this off. No fluff, just the real steps you need. Alright, let's get into it. Here's how I got all those coins in GP in eFootball 2026, and how you can too. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that Background App Refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called apptweakers.com. AppTweakers is a website where you can find many apps and games with awesome features. Once you are on the website, search for eFootball and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.